I'm back. Remember that song, My 90 Babies? They don't get it because
maybe even if we did get it, it wouldn't be funny.
maybe you have got to stop being such a hater. It can't be good for the soul. You know, it has to interrupt the joy in your heart. You know what I'm saying? Just to be a hater. So I'm starting off with Style Booster Edge Control. This is the one with the really great hold. And I like to put some on the edges of the area so we can slick them down. I don't put too much because you don't want it to get caked up and start to flake later. So I just put just enough to help sleek it down. I know this style is not going to last like for months and months or weeks and weeks because it's got too much hair in it. So if I did them maybe like 4 braids or 6 braids, it would last a little bit longer. Okay, I put some Briogeo leave-in curl charisma line and I'm detangling her hair prior to starting that braid. This is where we keep the hair so it's easier to grab it and go. Just grab it and go. More, yeah, right there.
And people be wanting to that's what I want
to start off with little pieces of hair. Aniya's hair is super thick, so I started braiding it with no hair at all, and I tried to add in a feed in, but it was like becoming really difficult. Perfecto. You feel me? Perfecto. You feel me? You smell me? I feel like she don't need that much added hair because her hair is thick as you don't know what, so I'm not adding that much hair because it'll make it harder for my wrists, but we're going to add more of the hair towards the end. So I'm going to show you the end, more of the end. You finished? Because your wrist don't flick. That's why I'm doing your hair. Okay. If you could get it to flick, my life would be easier.
Maybe it can flick, and
maybe you just lazy. Tell the people you lazy. Just tell them. Tell them. That's basically where you about to go with it. Yeah, tell them that you lazy.
Cut the camera.
Now you want to
cut the cameras.
Now she want to cut. What are we really doing? You know what I'm saying? Let's get this so we can slick it. Yeah. Oh yeah. That's how the little kids be saying. Yeah. Yeah. Trick. Yeah. No? Y'all don't say that no more? No. It's coming along. You see it coming along? I'm using the King Tips Ocean Waves in the color 1. I add it at the end of her hair as a feed in because it's so much easier for me to add it when I don't have to actually feed it in as cornrows. I'm having difficulties with it. I have to practice some more, but it's definitely harder when you add a lot of hair. So when I do like Brianna's hair, I'm doing more than 2 feed-in braids, so it's easier for me to add the hair in. So that's why I decided to just make it look more natural and just feed it in at the bottom of her hair. This is great for those who are just learning and really do not get the concept of feeding in the hair as you cornrow the hair because it's not easy. I would just say add a little bit more hair when you feed it in at the end so it doesn't look too skinny, as Aniya's was looking a little bit skinny. So the next time I would do it, I would add a little bit more hair so it's giving you more fullness and thickness, but it's still giving you natural vibes. I'm feeling it. This is when I start to clean up her edges where the hair is we have a little bit of flyaways. There's already edge control on it. I didn't add extra edge control. I was just using what was already there. I attempted the feed-in braids. It looks alright. It looks alright. It's neat. That's all that matters for right now. We use the edge booster. Now we're gonna boost up some of these edges. You like that? You like what I did there? Don't be a hater. Don't be a hater all your life. Don't be. See how I'm brushing out her edges? She got starched edges, but
we got some edges.
don't make them.
Bro,
Don't make.
bro, leave it.
Leave
You're
it.
trying to be funny, bro.
Listen, not everybody has baby hairs.
Okay.
I got adult hairs, so that's what I'm talking about. I'm not trying to play you. I'm just telling the girls, do not take all your hair and make baby hair. That's not. I don't know. I guess they think it's cute. If y'all do that, that's your business, right? So let me just mind my business. I'm just gonna show you what we do with real edges, okay? Damn it. Did I not say that right? Am I making fun of the people again? Yeah. Part your hair and make baby hairs like some of these girls do. If I'm talking to you, it's okay though. That's you. You do you. You do you. And I'ma do me. Look at Niyah. Talk it, walk it like she talk it. Hey, walk it like she talk it. Hey, walk it like she talk it. She outside of the club hating it. She can't even get inside. Move down. Put be Chris Brown. Get up. Get up.
You're feeling yourself.
Get up.
It's not even you're not even with the hair done.
Right. I'm looking like this. Okay, y'all. All right. You know what I'm about to say, right? If you like what you see here, if you like what you see here today, subscribe to your girl's channel. I'm doing a giveaway soon because we 3 subscribers away from 1K. Come on now, dance. Dance for people so I don't have to move these things. Hey, 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 hey. So, okay. So make sure y'all like, subscribe, and join the family because it's fun over here. See? Improvisation. Let's put on you. Sorry.
Bye.
I felt it.